I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by telling Steam how to treat your Xbox pad. Open Steam Big Picture or the desktop client and go straight to controller settings. Enable Steam input and turn on Xbox configuration support so Steam can remap buttons. Connect the controller by USB or Bluetooth and verify Windows lists it under devices. Once done, return to the game's controller configuration in Steam. This gives you access to templates and the remapping editor needed to swap Xbox inputs to PlayStation icons and layout. Now craft the mapping. Open the game's controller configuration and pick an editable template. Remap the physical buttons so A equals cross, B equals circle, X equals square, and Y equals triangle. Change shoulder and stick bindings if you want PlayStation behavior. Use the on-screen icons chooser to set PlayStation glyphs so Steam shows PS buttons in prompts. Save your changes as a new personal template. Make sure to apply it globally or just for that title, depending on whether you want consistent PS visuals everywhere. Finish by launching the game and verifying that prompts display PlayStation icons and that each button performs the expected action. If icons or behaviors are incorrect, toggle Steam input off and back on, then reapply your saved template. This refresh often fixes mismatches. For stubborn problems, restart Steam, reconnect the controller, and ensure no third-party remapping tools are active. If needed, delete conflicting configs and re-import your template. This ensures Steam is the authoritative input mapper and shows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.